When you're editing, there might be a tendency to use a lot of like crazy transitions and effects and all that. But if you have like a slow-paced documentary, like I did these ones on multiple sclerosis, and you know, it's pretty calm documentary, not a lot of action or anything. So when somebody would talk about something, I'd slow to whatever they were talking about. There wouldn't be a lot of like, you know, whip pans and like weird star dissolves and stuff that you'd find like in a cheesy wedding video or something. So, you know, the edits and stuff fit the subject that you're talking about. I mean, you could do a little bit more crazier, you know, transitions and dissolves if you have like photos, or if you have a sequence where they're playing a sport like hockey or something, or soccer. You could be a little bit more creative. But the point of editing is when you're doing a project and you're putting this together, is the editing should not draw attention to itself. So, you know, somebody watching the program shouldn't notice that that is edited. I mean, clearly it is, because that's how the whole thing is put together, but none of the edits should, like, you know, pop out where they're like, oh yeah, there was an edit, there was a cool edit there. You know, they had nothing to do with what the documentary was about. So really be careful with that. So minimize, you know, if anything, minimize your transitions and your graphics. And, you know, it's okay to have just cuts. You know, you don't have to have like a dissolve or a fade or a flash or a, you know, some other type of edit every time, you know, you do a cut. You could just have a cut, it's fine. You know, usually, you know, the simpler is the better. So don't go crazy with the transitions.